Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering how to remove friends on KakaoTalk, you have come to the right place. Whether you are cleaning up your contacts or just need to remove friend, today we will walk you through the steps to remove friends from your KakaoTalk account. Let's get started. First, open up your KakaoTalk app on your phone. Once you are inside, head over to your friend tab where you will see your contacts are listed. Once you are in the chat, now scroll through your friend list and find the person you want to remove. Once you find them, tap onto their name to open the chat or the three dot or the setting icon. Once you are in the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. From the option that appear, select remove friends. You might see a confirmation message asking if you are sure. Don't worry, this won't delete the chat history. It just removes them from your friend list. Confirm that you want to remove this person by pressing on delete. Just like that, they will be removed from your friend list. And that's it. The friend is no longer on your friend list and you won't receive their message unless they message you directly. And there you have it. You have successfully removed a friend on KakaoTalk. It's a super easy to keep your contact list tidy. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.